goes in.
Hey Haxsters, today we are partnering up with Comey LED and we're going to be installing some of these flat panel lights in a local church that we are going to get in here, make this a much brighter room and a whole lot nicer. So with these, you've got options for however you want to set your lighting based off of your personal preferences. Just a simple 3-wire, hot, neutral, and ground. And really comes down to just working the old lights out and then working the new lights in. So I'm going to set you guys up on a time lapse so you're not sitting here watching me do every single one of these one at a time. All right, Haxsters, they are all in. They look great, really brighten up the room. So make sure you check out Comey LED. Link is in the description below. See you next time.